In our song, Take Our Little Car for a Drive, it's time to move. Now, at the very beginning of the song, I want you to pretend like you are driving a car, and then it's going to ask you to turn your windshield wipers on. When we turn our windshield wipers on, can you move your arms from side to side? Then next in the song, it's going to have you honk your horn. I bet you know how to push down and honk that horn. Then it is slam the door. Oh, hopefully we are all careful when we slam the door. And then it says step on the brakes because we got to stop. And then I'm going to go really fast in my car, go so fast. And we're going to move so fast that the police officer is going to give us a ticket and then cause our car to move slow. Get ready to go. Turn on your engine.
Yes, officer?
Could you slow down a little, please?
Click on the space bar and we're moving to vegetable rhythms.